We would say the number one question that we get from sellers just like yourself is, what exactly is a lease purchase? Well, it's pretty simple. It means we agree upon a price. We then take over any and all responsibilities associated with the property, from maintenance, taxes, insurance, mortgage, future repairs, any and all responsibilities. We then agree upon a definitive end date. On or before that date, you're completely cashed out. For example, let's say that you have a purchase price of $300,000, and then you have a mortgage of $200,000. What we're doing here is we're locking in the difference between your purchase price and what you owe, so that's your equity. You're locking in $100,000 to be cashed out on or before the date we agree upon.
Let's use 36 months for example. On or before 36 months, your mortgage is going to be completely paid off. That $100,000 in equity is then going to be received by yourself.
As you can see, there's some major benefits with a lease purchase. First and foremost, you're going to be able to maximize your return because obviously there's no real estate commissions or fees associated with this transaction. Secondly, we can take over that responsibility that you have with your property. Again, it's your mortgage payments, taxes, insurance. Any and all responsibilities, including maintenance, is now taken over by us. This is a completely hands-off deal for you. A lease purchase can certainly be a great tool to get your property sold.